All right. Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all good. And kindly inform to your friends, let them come and join. Who don't know about our, kindly share to them our link so that let them come back and let everyone can join. 2 to 3 is our class. So we are going to discuss 1 hour. Yes, good afternoon. Kindly join everyone so that I get to know that you all joined. Kindly type your name also so that the students who are attended, I get to know. Kindly type your name also, school name, so that in the register, whatever name is there, that you can type so that the present also you can keep for that. Join firstly. So exactly 2, we need to start our class. And still we have 4 minutes. You can inform to your friends fastly. So meanwhile, we'll just close our eyes and we'll pray first, then we can start our class. Just let us close our eyes. Let's start prayer. Then we can start our class. Okay. Suresh is present. Very good. Like that, you can type your name so that I get to know. Good afternoon, sir. Ramesh. Very good. Very good afternoon. So kindly type your name so that I get to know. And meanwhile, let us close our eyes. We'll pray first, then we'll start our class. Let us close our eyes. Provide your knowledge and wisdom to solve our mathematics problems and our daily life problems. Thank you, God. All right, let's start our class. And so that in good afternoon, and kindly type your name. I get to know your school name in the register, whatever is there. That okay, Sumit is present. Good afternoon, Sumit. Harshita, good afternoon. And Mehak, good afternoon. Very good. So let's start our class. So we already discussed in the class number 12 exponents and powers for section B. Already first already finished, but still we are going to discuss once again what is exponent and how that power comes to the exponent, and then why we are going to use this exponents in the mathematics. This we are going to discuss. So I hope I was written something on the board. You are able to find that. The first thing, kindly observe that whether your clarity is good or not, voice clarity is also good or not, tell to me so that it will be good. Very good. Prince said good afternoon, sir. Very good. Very good afternoon, Prince. And Lakshay Raj said, good afternoon. Very good afternoon, Lakshay Raj. So you need to stay up to 3, and it should be interactive class. You have to comment in that comment box, whichever I was asked to you that all answers, okay? Whichever question I'll ask, for that you have to answer, okay? Let's start now. Observe this. Do you know? What do you know? Mass of the earth 5 comma 970 comma triple zero comma triple zero comma triple 0.0 kg. So this, like this big numbers, you want that reason to make it short. We can write the same number as like this: 5.97 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. So for this reason, we are going to use exponents and powers. Okay. Once check properly, everyone check what I was writing on the board that you are finding or not. Kindly check everyone. Did you find or not found? So I hope, and I hope so that everyone is able to find what I was writing on the board. If anyone is not finding, inform to me. So here was written, do you know? Here I was written some number and which was very big number. And this to make it short for this number, we are using 5.97 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. To write in this short form, we are using exponents. What we are using? Exponents. Okay. All right. So yes, sir, saying very good. So you just check now everything is fine means then we will continue. If not fine, that also inform to me. Everything is fine. You are able to find what I am writing on the board. Check and inform to me. So I hope so you are able to find who was said that not found. Refresh it and then just once again see. Let me see myself also. Then I to get I will get to know that whether it is finding or not. Yes, they are finding. All right. You're finding nicely or 720p you can do so that you are able to find out. Okay. All right. Let's start now. So here we are going to discuss exponents and powers. What is exponent? What is power? How it is going to get as a power? This all we already discussed in our classroom. So I was for Lakshay Raj, I was given one activity in the class section A, and in section B, some other student I was given one activity. What is that activity? Have you remembered? I think class section B Naman was done that activity. So what is that activity? So some books was given to them. They were keeping on the head. Okay, once that is, you can refresh it and check, then it is possible. So, like this, we'll keep on the head, and the students are kept on the head and they were walked. So, there you found that whether that Lakshaya's or I was given to another student in the section B, Naman. So, those both are called as a base, and the books we called that as a what? That as exponent. Have you remembered that? So now in my head, I was carrying here how many books? One, this is second, this is third. So three books I was carrying. So if and I was carrying some papers. Okay. So now this is called as base, and whichever is there on my head, that is called as exponent. That is called as exponent. So now whichever is there here, I am called as base, and whichever here the papers are there and these books we will call it as exponent. So now how many books you found here with me? One, and then two, and then three. Three books you are finding, so that my exponent is three and base is me alone. Similarly, I'll give for you now some question that 10 to the power of 15 is given. Then this 10 is called as what? 15 is called as what? So you just comment on that so that I can understand. See, whoever is unable to find as a clear manner, that is because of your network issues, and second one, it is because of the quality. So kindly change the quality as 480p or 720p or 1080p. And second one, it is your signal is good or not. Kindly check. So right now, try. you are able to hear my voice. I hope you just kindly check once again is if everything is good or not. So you just carefully observe and here check this. Here I was written 10, raise it to the power 15 I was written. Now which is base here, which is exponent here? Which is base and which is exponent? I was also going to see now so that I can understand. Yes, I hope you are able to find it. Many students are written their answers. So 10 is base, very good. So who is written first? Hanshu Kumar Kanva. Okay. Next who is Srishti 10 base. And then next Jagdish Vaishnav there 10 base 15 is exponent. Dikshit star written 10 base 15 as exponent. Very good. You all done good job. Whoever done good job for them, give clap everyone. In that clap symbol is there. Use that clap symbol in that. Very good. So now we are already discussed this all. Let's once again of the examples and let's see that who are able to say answers. Whoever says first answer, for them give clap everyone. Use their symbols, clap in the chat. You can use that. It should not be one-way communication. It should be two-way. I need your answers. Let's move on to our some examples and I'll ask question to the particular student. That student need to answer. Okay, let's see now. The first question is 10 to the power of 100 and second question is 5 to the power of 235 and next third one is it is 99 to the power of 99 and then fourth one I'll write here as 123 means 123 power 145 100. Lakshay Raj, can you tell what is base and exponent for the first one? What is base for? Is there Lakshay Raj? Some other students were already writing 10 base and 15 is exponent. You are correct, but I need a particular student whom I will ask. That student only need to answer. Arukshita, can you say for second one? 5 to the power of 235. I need answer from Arukshita. Okay, Lakshay is Hanshu Kanwar. Okay, Lakshay was already given answer. Very good. So next one, Arukshita was also given answer. So now I need from Arukshita for second one answer. Give clap to them, whoever answered correctly. Now here 5 to the power of 235. Here base is 5 and exponent is from this. Exponent is 235 and here base is 10 and my exponent is 100. You check your answer. So then base is here 99 and next one base is here 123 and my exponent is 145. Let's check. If you are not able to find these answers, inform to me. I hope you all able to find and you all written answers also. Very good. Very good, very good. So appreciate the students who are given correctly answer. For them, give the appreciation and clap them. So clap symbol if you keep, that indicates that it is appreciated your friends. That's good. So if you are understood this, from this what you all understood, whichever here upside is there, that is exponent. Whichever here down is there, that is called your base. So that is we discussed and we discussed some formulas. Now I'll ask formulas, kindly type fastly in your comment section please. So now the first formula which you learned previously, we just quick recall these all formulas. And first one we learned it, a power 0 is equal to 1. And second one we learned as a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. And third one we learned a power m upon a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So there is a shortcut what you learned here. If into symbol is there, exponents are added. And if division symbol is there, exponents are subtracted. This again you can write a power m divided with a power n. Whether division symbol or upon is there, also we'll write a power m minus n. And then fourth one is a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. And our fifth one, a power m, and then it is into b power m. We will write here, see now bases are different but exponents are same, then we'll write a into b whole power m. So similarly division place also we learned a upon b, a upon b whole power m, which already discussed in the classroom, just we are quick revising this all. So next, seventh one, we learned a power minus m is equal to 1 upon a power m. And then eighth one here, we learned a power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a. And then next ninth one we learned as a upon b whole power minus m is equal to just reciprocal, remove the minus symbol, b upon a whole power m. Kindly remember these all identities. These are 9 identities which we already discussed. Just remember these all identities. Let's quickly solve our exercise number 12.1. Okay, let's start. All right. Just kindly remember this all so that it becomes easy for you all when you are solving exercise number 12.1. All right, let's go for next. Let's see next. Next it is exercise number 12.1. We'll discuss once again and then we will close this session. So today we are going to complete exercise number 12.1 once again. Whoever already learned those all, just you give your answers on that. Okay, let's start now. So now first one, exercise number 12.1. In that first one, evaluate number 1, 3 power minus 2. See here, it is in the form of a power minus m. You know a power minus m means what is your formula? 1 upon a power m. So a place here 3, let me write here 3 power minus 2. How can I write? 1 upon a power m means here 3 power 2. So simply remember to remove minus, we will write as 1 upon a power m. So now here 3 power minus 2 means 1 upon 3 power 2. So now that is equal to 1 upon 3 square means it is 9. You all already learned this one in the squares and square roots. 3 square is nothing but 9. So finished your first question. And let's move on to the second. So second it is given as minus 4 whole to the power of minus 2. Can anyone answer on that? Minus 4 whole to the power of minus 2. Which formula we are using again? Again same formula. A power a raised to power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to power m. So now a plus e of minus 4 whole to the power of minus 2 is equal to, how can I write? Can anyone tell this? Once again observe carefully here. It is in the form of a power minus m. So we need to write 1 upon a power m. So how can I write answer? By observing this, can anyone tell answer for this? 3 power minus 2. Then we applied a power equal to 1 upon a power m formula. So then here 3 power minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3 square. 3 square is nothing but 9. Similarly, can you tell for this? Firstly, tell to me your answer. Fast. Okay, already one student was written 1 upon 16. Well and good. So who is written 1 upon 16? Ragini. Very good, Ragini. You've done good job. So it is, we'll write minus 4 whole square. Here negative, when you are writing 1 upon minus 4, then here positive square. Then that is 1 upon minus 4 into minus 4. And that will write 1 upon minus into minus plus 4 fours are 16. In this way we'll write. Let's move on to the third now. So your third question, let me write here, that is 1 upon 2 whole power minus. For this, which formula we can use? You already know one formula, that is a upon b whole power minus m is equal to b upon a whole power m. According to this, how can I solve? 1 upon 2 whole power minus 5 is equal to, what can I write here? So when you observe here, a upon b here, negative place, positive I want to write, first reciprocal it. So a upon b reciprocal is b upon a, then whole power m. So now here also 1 upon 2 whole power minus 5 means what I need to write? B upon a place. Can anyone tell that? A upon B reciprocal I took as B upon A whole power M written. Here 1 upon 2, what is reciprocal? 1 upon 2 reciprocal, can anyone tell? Anyhow, answer written 32, that's good. But I want now Varsha written, it is means I think Kanishka written as 32, Ragini written as 32, and Krishna Paul written as 32. You are writing 32, that is good. But I want here reciprocal is what? 1 upon 2 reciprocal. That I want. Understand question first. Here reciprocal only I asked. I was not asked answer. So 1 upon 2 reciprocal is what? So who is going to say first? Let me see. Very good. 2 upon 1. First written by Jagdish Vaishnav. So here it is 2 upon 1 whole to the power of, what is here? 5. So then we write 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is nothing but 32. So your answer is correct. Whoever given 32, for them give claps. So there is a clap symbol, use that and then help them. And whoever written the 2 upon 1 first, for them give the clap. Okay? All right. That's all about your first question. Anyone having any doubt in this? Once again, listen carefully what we done. So first one, here 3 to the power of minus 2 is there. It is in the form of a power minus m. So a power minus m, we will write it as 1 upon a power m. So now 3 power minus 2, we can write it as 1 upon 3 power 2. That is equal to 1 upon 9. Similarly, we done remaining problems. And same method here, another formula which we used, a upon b whole power minus m is equal to b upon a whole power m. Simply remember that here minus is there. I want to change minus into the plus. What to do? A upon b reciprocal take, then b upon a whole power m. Then we will complete the problem. I hope you all understood this. Let's move on to the second question. What is given in the second question? So in the second question it is said simplify and express result in power notation and positive exponent. So I want to represent in the power notation with positive exponent. Positive exponent. Okay, so let's discuss. The first question was given minus 4 whole to the power of 5 divided with minus 4 whole to the power of 8. This is what given. As you know one formula, that is a power m minus n. Then how we can solve this? Just observe carefully once again. A power m divided, apply this formula here, then what you get? Minus 4 whole to the power of 5 divided with minus 4 whole to the power of 8 is equal to minus 4 whole to the power of m minus n. 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8. What do you get? 5 minus 8 means what you will get? Plus 3 or minus 3? Give answer firstly. 5 minus 8 means you will get minus 3 or plus 3. Firstly answer. Ragini, can you 5 minus 8 means what you are going to get? Whether minus 3 or plus 3. Or Kanishka, can you tell? So that let me know whether you are concentrating on the class or not. So I'll give some particular names I'll call so that students need to tell the answer. Okay, who is written first? Okay. Still you are doing your work. Okay, firstly complete that. Minus 3. Very good. So you said correct answer. Now one more formula we have to use, that is a power minus m is equal to 1 upon a power m. So now this we will write still 1 upon minus 4 whole to the power of 3. Exponent. Power notation, they said power notation also is there. So that answer finished. But still you want to simplify. As I was simplified in the classroom, that still we can simplify. What is answer at last? 1 upon. If odd number is there, minus symbol you will get. If even exponent is there here, plus symbol you are going to get. Odd exponent, negative symbol. Even exponent, positive symbol. So now here odd is there, so that minus symbol 4. So answer is minus 1 upon 64. But for your, according to question, up to this if you are written, answer is correct. No need to simplify up to here. Okay. That's all about your first question. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me fast. Is anyone having any doubt? If no doubt, if no doubt, just keep the thumb symbol so that I can understand. Fastly. No, sir. Okay. No doubt. No, sir. Thumb symbol keep if no doubt so that I can understand. Okay, let me rub this part. The first question I'm going to rub, and second you can write down that part. And anyhow, later I'm going to send for you this offline video. If you are unable to follow me and unable to write fastly your notes, you just go through this video and later you can write down your notes. Okay? All right, let's move on to the next. Next one, it is second. 1 upon 2 cube whole square. 2 cube whole square is given. And now this is in right, then a power m upon b power m. So now how I will write this? Observe carefully. 1 upon 2 cube whole power 2, that is equal to, so what I will do now, according to this exponent is given to each term separately. So now a upon b whole power m means a power m upon b power m. If you observe properly here, this exponent is given to a and given to b. So a power m upon b power m. Now similarly this exponent to give to each terms. So that means 1 square upon 2 cube whole square, 1 square upon 2 cube whole square. Then when you solve, 1 square is nothing but 1 upon, and this is which formula again? A power m. That means exponents you have to multiply. So here see, a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So here also 2 power 3 whole power 2 is there. We can write 2 power 3 into 2. So now we'll write 1 upon 2 power 6. Up to here, answer is completely finished, but still we want to simplify. We can simplify 1 upon 2 multiply 6 times, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then what you get answer? 1 upon 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32, 32 twos are 64. So 1 upon 64 is your final answer. But remember, if you write according to your question up to here is correct answer. Still you want to simplify, you can simplify up to here. Very good. Okay, thumb symbol now I got. That's okay. Let's move on to the next then. So I hope you all understood this second. And let's move on to the next. Right. So here it is not 64, 1 upon 64. So up to this I was explained for you all previously. And once again you just need to concentrate properly so that only you can understand. Already we solved this all in the classroom. But once again I am repeating this. All right, let's move on to the third question now. It is given as in this way, minus 3 power 4 into 5 upon 3 power 4. Observe carefully this. A power m into b power m. What is your formula? A power m into b power m. You know that a into b whole power m. Here also check. Exponents are same, then what to do? Multiply the bases, whole power 4. So now answer for this, minus 3 upon power 4 into 5 upon 3 power 4 is equal to minus 3 into 5 upon 3 whole power 4. Now observe clearly now, 3 cancel. So that is equal to minus 5 whole to the power 4. So check carefully now. Here just we multiplied these two. When the exponents are same, multiply these both and whole power 4. Because here multiplication symbol. Now 3 get minus 5 whole power 4. And check this is even number or odd number. So even exponent is there, so that we can remove this minus symbol. Because I already said to you all, if exponent is even, positive symbol; if exponent is odd, negative symbol; if it is sign minus is there in the bracket. So now we'll write 5 to the power 4. And still you want to simplify. 5 to the power of 4 is nothing but how much? 625. So in that way we have to solve the problems, and still anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now itself. Okay. All right. 5 power 4 written by Prince, and then Lakshay Rose also, and then Nepal also done, and very good. You all done good job. Anyone having doubt? 625 is answer. Okay. Kanishka written that. And Krishnapal said there is no doubt. And still anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. So no doubt means we'll move to the next question. So I'm going to rub this part. You already written in the notebook, no need to write again. Not written in the notebook, you have to complete in your classwork. Okay? All right. Remember, whenever the video is struck, you just refresh it, automatically you are going to get back to the video. So now next, you are going to get back to the life. So let's move on to the fourth one now. Minus 7 divided with 3 power minus 10, that into 3 power minus 5. Very simple question it is. You just observe carefully. A power m divided with a power n. A power m divided with a power n. So what is you have formula? A power m minus n. A power m minus n. Now observe here. 3 power divided with 3 power minus 10 is there. So we can write 3 power. Now directly writing, not writing any formula. So now m means what is here? This is your m and this is your n. M minus n means minus 7 minus symbol from the form. So now that is into here 3 power again. So not substituting one by one. So directly I am solving now. So here m means minus 7. Then formula minus here. And then n means minus 10. Now observe carefully. 3 minus 7 as it is. Minus into minus. This bracket is into. Minus into minus. You are going to get as a plus. Then what is here? 10. That into 3 to the power of minus 5. 10 minus 7. How much you are going to get? 3 to the power of 10 minus 7 is nothing but 3. 10 minus 7 is nothing but 3. So now that into t 3 to the 3 raised to the power minus 5. Observe once again this. Here it is given as a power m divided with a power n. We are written as a power m minus n. So a power, a is here 3, so that written 3. Then m means here minus 7, written minus 7. And then formula minus, so that minus formula. And then next one n means minus 10, so that minus 10. Then minus into minus plus. Then here 10, 10 written. 10 minus 7 is nothing but 3. So now 3 power 3 or 3 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power minus 5. Now after this, which formula again we are going to apply? Now we are going to apply a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. A power. Let's see carefully everyone on the board now. So once again, listen this clearly. It is a power m into power n, a power m plus n to the power m into a raised to the power n, that is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. So now we'll write, so this as 3 power 3 plus, then n plus what is here? Minus 5. This is your m and this is your, so m plus n means we'll write 3 plus of minus 5. Now minus minus, here 5 is there, 5. 5 minus 3 is nothing but 2. So now 3 raised to power minus 2 you can write, or this again by we will write it as 1 upon 3 square. 1 upon 3 square is nothing but 1 upon 9. Problem having any doubt, you can ask me now itself. Till this, everyone understood? Till understood or not, you just inform to me now. Some students already written their answers and some 3 raised to power minus 2. Very good. Very nice. So many students are writing their answers and they are saying yes, sir. And answers were given by them. Understood? Yes, sir. Okay. No doubt. If there is doubt, let's move on to the next Roman and we'll finish this session with the next Roman. So let's move on to the next one, that is your next Roman, that is third Roman. Easiest Roman. Let's finish the third question. Find the value of, this is today's last Roman we'll discuss, and remaining Romans we'll discuss, means 4, 5, 6, 7 tomorrow. Okay, let's start. Find the value of number 1, 3 power 0 plus 4 to the power of minus 1 and the bracket into 2 power 2. 2 raised to the power 2. Then easily how to solve, you just observe carefully. Now I'm going to use to solve this formula, to solve this problem, these are the formulas. A power 0 means 1 and a power minus 1 is nothing but 1 upon a, and then I'm going to use a power m into a power n, a power m plus n. These are the formulas I'm going to use to solve this problem. Let's see now how I'll solve. So can anyone, 3 power 0 means what can I write? 3 raised to power 0 means what can I write? Answer only writing. Now I need only 3 raised to power 0 means what? Only that 3 raised to power 0 means what is your answer? One written first by, I don't know the names because I said for you all kindly type your name also, then only I get to know. All right, so here many are written 1, so 1 is the correct answer. 3 raised to power 0, not only 3, any number raised to power 0 is given, then that answer is 1 plus 4 power minus 1. A power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a, 2 power minus 1, 1 upon 2, 3 power minus 1, 1 upon 3, 9 power minus 1, 1 upon 9, and 10 1 upon 10, then 99 power minus 1, 1 upon 99. In such a way, 4 power minus 1 is nothing but 1 upon 4 into 2 to the power 2. Now, this part, when you simplify, what you are going to get? So here LCM take, we can write it as 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 4 into 2 power 2. So if you don't know LCM, at least do the cross multiplication and then solve. How? 4 ones are 4, middle here plus, write the plus, 1 ones are 1, then upon, multiply these two, 1 into 4, 4. That 5 upon 4 into 4. 4, 4 cancel, answer right as 5. So at last answer is 5, but you need to solve in this method, or which I was explained in the classroom, where a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n formula also we used and we solved. But right now, use this method also. Any method we need answer need to be correct. So that is about your problem number 3, first question. I hope you all understood this. Let's move on to the second, and now little bit faster so that we are going to finish this Roman and we'll wind up this class here. So fastly write if you want to write. If you are unable to write fastly, then later when offline video, when I was sent the links, go through it and then learn and then write your notebook. Let's move on to the second. 2 power minus 1 into 4 power minus 1 divided with 2 power minus 2. How to solve? This will write as 1 upon 2, and 4 power minus 1 means 1 upon 4 divided with 2 power minus 2 as it is. Then can I write this as 1 ones are 1, 2 fours are 8 divided with 2 power minus 2. So 8 can I write 2 power 3, because check here, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. So that means we'll write this as 2 power 3. So now instead of 8, write as 2 raised to the power 3. So now 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3 divided with 2 power minus 2. Then 1 upon a power m is equal to a power minus m. Use that formula. We'll write here 2 to the power of minus 3 divided with 2 power minus 2. Now you have formula a n. Use that formula and solve this. So I'll write here 2 power minus 3 divided with 2 power minus 2. So that is equal to, according to this, so first written this 2 power minus 3 divided with 2 power minus 2. Now a is nothing but here 2, m is nothing but minus 2, minus 3, here m is minus 3, n is minus 2. Now middle, what is there in the formula? Minus. So minus, right? And then what is your n? N is minus 2. Write that minus 2. Then now 2 to the power of minus 3, minus into minus plus 2. So 2 to the power of minus 1. That is nothing but 1 upon 2. What is written? 5 is the answer. Okay. And now write, I'm getting your comments lately. Okay. Let's see here. In this way you have to solve. Once again I'll explain to you. Listen clearly now. 2 power minus 1 is nothing but 1 upon 2. 4 power minus 1 is nothing but 1 upon 4. Just multiply it. 1 ones are 1. 2 fours are 8. Divided symbol here as it is. 2 power minus 2 written. Then 8 is nothing but, what do you know? 2 power 3. So write 2 raised power 3. Then 1 upon a power m is nothing but a power minus m. So we written 2 power minus 3 divided with 2 power minus 2. A power m divided with a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Then we'll write here m means minus 2. Then 2 to the, so power of minus 1 is nothing but 1 upon 2. I hope you all understood this. Anyone having any doubt in this? So, no doubt, I think. So, anyhow, let us discuss. Two more is there. Let's finish this one. Then we'll close our today's session. Okay? Right. So, let's move on to the next. So, next one, observe clearly. This is third one. 1 upon 2 whole power minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 whole power minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 whole power minus 2. So now magic you can observe, just reciprocals you do, and then you need to write as a positive number. Let's see what we'll do here. 1 upon 2 whole power minus 2. We'll write 2 power plus 2. You have to take and make it as a plus symbol. So here 1 upon 2. Similarly here 3 upon 1 positive 2. Next 4 upon 1 positive 2. Now we'll write this as 2 upon 1 is, forget when you add this 29. So I hope you all understood this. And last and final, and we'll finish this session here. We'll end here. Last two are there. Let us end here this session. So let me complete this part and we will close here. So your fourth one here, 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 1 plus 5 power minus 1 whole to the power 0, and then fifth one minus 2 upon 3 whole power minus 2 and whole to the power of 2. Very simple this. Once observe carefully. Anything power 0 means what I said? 0. So it is, anything power 0 means what I said? 1. So now a raised to power 0 is nothing but 1, and this whole raised to power 0 is nothing but right. And next one here, minus number is there. I want to remove this minus in the exponent means reciprocal it, write positive. So 3 upon 2, minus is there, just minus right, whole power a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So use that, minus 3 upon 2 whole power 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Minus 3 upon 2 whole power 4. Then we'll write this as minus 3 whole power 4. Means this 4 is giving to both. Minus 4. And your answer, it is even number or even exponent, so that you are going to get positive. So now 3 power 4 upon 2 power 4. Now what is your 3 power 4 and what is your 2 power 4? 3 power 4 is nothing but 81 and 2 power 4 is nothing but 16. So at last 81 upon 16. So these are your answers. I hope you all understood. And if you are unable to understand anything, again you can go to the rewind this video and you can observe that, so that you can able to understand. Still, if you are having any doubt, you can send through the WhatsApp to me messages, so that I can reply to you all. Okay, I hope you all understood today's class. I hope you all enjoyed today's learning. Okay. All right, Rituras, it is not 0. It is anything power 0 means you get answer as 1. A raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So anything raised to the power 0 means your answer is 1. Clear? All right. May God bless you all.